Well, everybody, this is Jason from Iron Mission. You know, it has been in the 50s here in Illinois the last couple days, and I have put on a few hundred miles, and it is getting very close to motorcycle season. I can feel it in the air. There's just something different about it. Now, I know at least in our area, we're dealing with false spring, and it's about to get colder again for a little while, but this would be a great time to talk about if you are possibly in the market for a new motorcycle this year. Now is the time to think about that purchase. One of the first videos we ever did on this channel was how to save money when buying a motorcycle. I'm going to put that in the upper right hand corner as well as in the description below. Watch that video. But one of the things that we mentioned in that video is timing. Timing is everything, whether we're talking about time of the month or time of the year. And right now we're in that sweet spot. The time of the year to buy a motorcycle is probably now. Let's face it. In this economy, if you have got the money to spend on a new toy, and that's essentially what a motorcycle is, you are actually someone who's a little bit unusual. And right now, people who are selling motorcycles are realizing that market has shrunk in terms of the number of buyers. And so here are some things to consider. If you are going to a dealer, I don't care what motorcycle brand we're talking about, every single dealer I know of has plenty of 2025 motorcycles left. Now, we happen to be mostly Harley people, and trust me, they've got a lot left as well, but that could be Triumph, KTM, Indian, Royal Enfield, Ducati, Kawasaki, Yamaha, you name it. They've got plenty of 2025s left, and they're going to want to move those motorcycles. They're not getting any younger, and it just doesn't look good when a dealer has previous year models on their showroom floor as the 26s are starting to roll in. And so now is a time, making of this video, it's February, where you're going to see buy downs on the rates. Really easy to get low single digit financing, which is unusual again for a motorcycle, which is normally going to be around, let's say 10% or so, even if you've got good credit. So they might be buying down rates if you're someone who's got to take out a loan for a motorcycle. Certainly there might be some amount of money, $500 to $1,000 off. I would not be afraid to ask for anywhere between 10 and 15 to maybe even 20% off a motorcycle from a dealer. You'd be surprised on those new models from 2025. Some of them even have 2024s left over, and so they're willing to deal. Some dealers might be giving you some, hey, we'll do the maintenance program for you and throw that in for free, or here's $1,000 in bonus money for parts and accessories and all that kind of stuff, depending on the type of motorcycle that you want to buy. So go in there. Now's the time, because let's face it, almost every dealer didn't have the best 2025 to begin with. And now we're going into 26, and the outlook in the motorcycle industry is not any better. In fact, it might even be a little bit worse. And so these dealers are going to want to move these bikes now. If you wait a month or two or three, usually as we get closer to motorcycle season, prices go up a little bit because demand is going to go up compared to right now. It might be soft, it might be flat, it might even be a little bit lower than 2025. But overall, demand in March, and April, and May, and June are going to go up compared to what we would see in January or February. And of course, the other thing to consider is a lot of people, when they get their tax returns really starting to kick in next month, that's when they use that to go make their down payment on a bike. You want to try to beat all those people as well. And the same holds true if you are going to a private seller. Maybe you're not going to go to a dealer. Now, in this case, maybe you've got the cash. You're in even a better spot, especially with a private seller who's probably trying to deal with all these people asking, oh, I've got to try to get a loan, or I can only pay you this much, then I'll pay you another half later on. No, if you've got the money or you've already got your financing worked out, private sellers are going to save you some money, obviously, over the retail side. And the used bikes, trust me, they are hurting too. A lot of times at this point in the year, you still have people who are trying to sell their bikes from last year. And so now they've been hanging on to these things, and their hope was hopefully they could sell them last fall. Of course, that's not really a great time to try to sell a motorcycle. They've held it all throughout the winter. They might be getting pressure from a significant other. Hey, let's get rid of this thing. Or like you, they might be looking into stepping into yet another type of motorcycle, in which case their best time to buy is also now. So it'd be a really good idea if they could get rid of that bike before things start to heat up a little bit more, especially around tax season. And so For the private seller side, I would easily go in there and look for 20% off. You might not get it. And again, you got to be a little bit aware of what the bike normally is, how much it's going for. But again, that's why that video I mentioned before is so important, how to purchase a motorcycle and pay the least amount possible. Again, I'm going to have that down in the description below to hopefully save you some money. And so I thought it would be cool just to kind of talk about it. Would love to hear from you. Are you in the market right now for another motorcycle or your first motorcycle? And if so, what are you looking to buy? Again, there's 2 videos that I think will be helpful. I'm going to put those in the upper and lower right-hand corner. If you're a Harley person or thinking about it, check out that video, the 3 best Harleys for beginners. And of course, how to save money buying a motorcycle. As always, thank you so much for being here. I hope you're getting out there, if not already, very, very soon. Ride safe, everyone.